my name is Cheng Cheng, metric number 270664. Today, I will present the background and problem definition part. In this COVID-19 pandemic, some people are losing their jobs. In this technological era, we can sell anything online just only one click. Therefore, we discover one of the hawkers, Andy Chanlifong, selling food and beverage at Pasar Umum Sandakan, second floor, and her store number is 17K. Auntie Chan is currently 65 years old. All of the food Auntie Chan sells is halal, and the product price range is between 1 ringgit to 3 ringgit. The monthly income of Auntie Chan was also non-fixed. It is based on the volume of customer of that month. Next, we move on to the problem definition. During the MCO period, Majlis Pemandaran Sandakan (MPS), managing Pasar Umum Sandakan, announced that all hawkers could not sell within this period. Therefore, Auntie Chan did not have any income. Usually, Auntie Chan plays Facebook, but she lacks the knowledge to upload, comment, or even share a post or photo on social media. And this will become an issue for Auntie Chan to promote her food and beverage on social media. Besides that, because Auntie Chan's education level is only until secondary school, and she cannot comprehend and speak English, we will use Chinese to communicate with Auntie Chan. But luckily, the internet connection of Auntie Chan is stable. It can let us contact with Auntie easily and teach Auntie Chan how to use social media to promote her food and beverage to make Auntie Chan have income even MCO period. That's all for me. I will pass to Jiaqi to present the next part. Thank you.
Good day to sir and good day to everyone. My name is Wang Jiaqi, metric number 271844. Now I will present about the problem solution. To address the problem mentioned, the solution we thought of was to create a Facebook business page to help the hawker increase her sales. The hawker can use the Facebook business page to promote her food and beverages, and then customer will be able to know the food and beverages sold by the hawker through Facebook. For the introduced customers, they will go to her physical store to buy the food and beverages, thereby can increase her income. In addition, the hawker also can use Facebook business page to sell her food, beverage, and receive orders from customers. The hawker can indicate on her Facebook post that customers who are interested in buying can comment directly in the comment area or inbox the hawker. And the hawker also can indicate that she has provided customer delivery service to customer, or customer can choose to pick up the order by themselves. Therefore, the hawker can receive order from the customer in the comment area of the Facebook post or in Messenger. When the hawker sells the food and beverage on Facebook, her customer base will increase because customers living in other areas will also buy, and this will effectively increase her income. Furthermore, because the store of the hawker does not have a business logo, so we will also help the hawker create a logo for her Facebook business page. A logo is very important because it can easy for customer to distinguish which is the hawker page and make it easy for customer to find the hawker page. Therefore, we will design a logo that is easy to attract customer attention and make them leave a deep first impression. Besides, because Facebook may have a page with the same name as the hawker page, so we will also ensure the uniqueness of the logo. Next, the first picture is the Facebook business page we created for the hawker, and the second and third picture are the business logo and Facebook cover page we designed for the hawker. After we created the Facebook business page for Auntie Chan, we will teach her how to use the Facebook page to promote and sell her food and beverages. We will also teach her how to check the order from customers. Firstly, when Auntie Chan wants to promote and sell her food and beverages, she can click the post button on the Facebook business page as shown in picture 1. Later, Auntie Chan can play photo or video as shown in picture 2 to select the photo she wants to public. After choosing, Auntie Chan can write some word to introduce her food and beverage as shown in picture 3. After finishing, she can press the public button as shown in picture 4. Besides, when Auntie Chan wants to check the customer order, she can click the comment button and show in picture file or view in the Messenger application. So when Auntie Chan knows how to use the Facebook business page, she can easily use it to promote and sell her food and beverage, as well as view customer orders. Thereby can increase her customer base and increase her sales. That's all for me, thank you.
Good day to you, Doctor. My name is Lui Chengyi, metric number 270091. Do you all know novelty of innovation is important? As it is a desired attribute of business concept, service, products, and features. To assist the hawker community, Auntie Chan, who is experiencing unstable income on her physical store as a result of COVID-19 with the SOP of no dine-in allowed, led to drastic drop in her sales. Thus, we decided to offer a solution by assisting the community of hawker store in creating a Facebook business page for her physical store named Suchi Tangpu Store 17 to help more people discover about it, allowing the store income to be based not only on physical selling but also on online ordering. Since Facebook has over 2.7 billion users worldwide, it is a vital platform for small business social media marketing to reach out to potential customers, strengthen customer support, and boost recognition. The reason we chose to promote the hawker business on Facebook rather than other social media platforms such as Instagram is that the product is hawker halal food, which is better suited to promote on Facebook because Facebook user demographic span all ages, whereas Instagram is primarily used by youngsters, directly related to the science industry such as fashion and beauty are more appropriate. Facebook is a better option which good at search engine optimization (SEO) that route visitors to a business website through posts, links, and other actions that are featured on the public Facebook page. With the speed of social media and the additional relevant information shared through social channels is obtaining, having a Facebook page full with great content related to a business can assist an entrepreneur improve their search engine rankings. Not only that, Facebook pages also have an integrating functions that allow business to spy on rivals to keep track of how others in your industry and niche are doing on Facebook, and can measure page performance against competitors by choosing watch page or searching for pages in the search box. Low-cost marketing approach also suitable for small businesses with a limited budget. By encouraging current and potential customers to hit the like button on the Facebook page, the hawker community can raise the business profile on Facebook. Customers who like the Facebook page can receive seller updates on their wall, which their friends will also notice. This aids in the marketing of its product and the associations of the business with its product or services. Customers can also share great feedbacks about the item or services on their social media pages for all their friends to see. As we interviewed the store owner before about the knowledge of social media, she stated that have the habit of using Facebook but doesn't know how to use it for business. Thus, creating a Facebook page is the ideal solution compared to other social media platforms as the store owner understands the fundamental of Facebook, making it much easier to manage the Facebook page later. That's all from me. I will pass it to my group mate to explain on sustainability. Thank you.
Hi everyone. My name is Bpin. My metric number is 272166. I'm going to talk about sustainability. There are several ways to help Auntie Chan sustain her physical store by using her store's Facebook business page in a long time. First, Auntie Chan must post status regularly. Auntie Chan cannot post one or two status only within a week in her Facebook business page. This will let people feel that this page is not really active, and this will make them feel like not to order food or drinks from this page. Auntie Chan's store is provided food and drinks, so every time Auntie Chan finished preparing and cooking those food, she can take a few photos and upload to her Facebook business page. People will feel that this Facebook business page is FTL and will try to order food and drinks from Auntie Chan by seeing those photos that posted by her. Second, Auntie Chan must be always responded to message. Auntie Chan need to respond as soon as possible when someone asks and wants to order the food. This is because competitions now is very fierce and many people use Facebook business pages to increase their sales or income. Nowadays, people prefer to be more efficient. If you respond slowly, then they will look for similar Facebook business pages to order or buy what they want. So, Auntie Chan needs to respond as soon as possible to avoid missing any orders from customers. Auntie Chan reply all the comments and chat them privately by using Facebook Messenger to communicate with her customers about what kinds of food they want to order. Questions like they want to pick up the food themselves or Auntie Chan deliver it to them. Third, Auntie Chan can try to take photos with her customers once they came to pick up or she deliver to them and write some thankful talk together with the photos and upload to her Facebook business page. This is because this can attract more people order food and drinks from Auntie Chan through her Facebook business page. People will think that Auntie Chan is running her Facebook business page very effective and efficient. Coupled with some grateful thought, people will place orders with Auntie Chan because they feel that Auntie Chan is very sincere seller. Last, Facebook has provided live function. Auntie Chan can make a live with her customers to ask them about their opinion towards the food, drinks, and services they provided by Auntie Chan. Auntie Chan can make friends with them so they can generate a long-term relationship between Auntie Chan and her customers. With this live, Auntie Chan can know more details about what her customers really want and make improvement towards her food and drinks so that Auntie Chan can always serve the food that fulfill customers' wants. Facebook business page can help Auntie Chan sustain her physical store for a long time through all the above methods. That's all from me. Thank you.
Good morning, tutor. My name is Chai Pui-Kwan. Verse number is 270168. I will proceed to present the potential social, economic, and other impacts. Before the COVID-19 pandemic, people dined inside the restaurant as usual. However, the COVID-19 pandemic restricted the movement of people, bans restaurant operation, and bans dine-in, which resulting in a sharp decline in the income of food industry. This has caused hawker business to be adversely affected by COVID-19 pandemic. Therefore, we discussed teaching the hawker to create and manage a Facebook page to help her promote her business and maintain or even increase her income during the pandemic. Therefore, there are some potential impacts to social and economics with our products. The first impact on Facebook page on hawkers is that she can promote her business and let more people know about her products. Use the Facebook page to promote her online business easily and effectively. In addition, she can get customer feedback through Facebook comment. This can help her improve her quality of products and service. Customers can also learn more about her business such as product and price, store opening and closing time, and so on. This can make customers more satisfied with her service. Therefore, Facebook page can help the hawker to increase exposure her business. The second effect is to help hawker to increase her income. She can introduce her products through Facebook page, and when more people know about her business, she can attract more customers. In addition, the hawker can use Facebook page for publicity, such as posting some photo and some text which is free. This low-cost strategy allows hawker to reduce the utility to promote her business. Therefore, in addition to helping business increase exposure, Facebook page can also help business increase her income. The last impact of Facebook page on social is that other company or business can promote their business through this type of promotion. Since this method does help the hawker to improve her business, others will notice that this method is really helpful and they will start to do so to promote their business. This encourages other business to use this low-cost and convenient way to promote their business. In addition to helping more people in need, this can also help the country improve the economies.
我想问，在疫情时间你会遇到什么问题吗？
在疫情期间哦，我不能卖东西，在巴萨已经封锁了啊。之后就算可以卖啊，也不能坐下来吃，只能打包而已啊。
这样我们有什么可以帮助到你的吗？
可以协助我在疫情期间有收入吗？
可以啊。可以知道安迪你的对于社交媒体有多了解吗？比如 Facebook 啊、Instagram 啊或者 WeChat 之类的。
哦，我有刷 Facebook 的习惯，只是不会使用 Facebook 来卖东西。
哦，好的。这样安迪你家的网络好吗？就它的速度啊，会不会很慢啊之类的？
家里的网络很好啊，没有说很好啦，没有说很慢啦，可以啦。
这样我想问安迪，你接受我们的帮助吗？
我接受你们的协助。
Okay, now I will have explained how to use the Canva. First, open the Canva page and then you can see the search engine here. Scroll down to find the previous design at here that you already done it before. If you want to create a new design like a Facebook post, just type it Facebook post. And just wait, find the Facebook post. There are numerous templates that will come out. Then you can choose which template you want. For example, you want this. For the right hand side, got several buttons, and for the first is template button. You can choose not only one template, and which is the add one page button. If you click it, a new page is come out. When you click the new template, for example like this, and then the new page will automatically fill with the new template. And this is for the element button. You can find the shape, the line, or even the illustrations at here. This is a shape. You can adjust it or also change the color. And then this is line. You can adjust the length of the line as also the thickness of the line too. And also here got the type of light it is. Okay. Then now it's near New Year, so we find Chinese New Year. Then all of the illustration or photo about the New Year will come out, and then just find like this lens or even a letter. I can rotate the lens or also the lens too, and then I also can change the color of the lens. After then, it will become this. And then this one is for the upload button. You can upload the photo that you already done at here and edit in the Canva like this. And this one is the transparency. You can adjust the transparency of the photo. And if you want to add a frame of the photo, you can do it like this. Adjust the size of the shape and then like this. Change to black color or white color. Okay. Now we change the background color, and then I want to change to yellow orange color because it is most same with the Chinese New Year color, so I change it. And then this one is for the photo button. You can find any related photo that you want at here. Like this, I want this photo, and then I put it at here. Then okay. Then this one is about the text button. All of the text you can find at here. These three you can choose either one and click it and add the word that you want to add. Like give it here, and then you can find the suitable font like this, and then adjust the size of the font of the text. You also can change the color. Okay, like this. Then this one is for the style. If you don't know how to choose the best color palette, you can try this. There are several of color palette you can choose, and it will automatically change your poster color. If I want this, I think this is the best color that I can catch my audience eyes, then I will choose this is my final poster to post it out and upload it on my Facebook page.
Hello， 安迪，我们今天就是来教你如何使用那个 Facebook Business Page 来宣传销售食物和饮料的。这个是我们为你create 的那个 Facebook Business Page 啦。这个就是 我们为你设计的 logo，然后这个是我们为你设计的那个 cover page，这个都是跟着你的要求来设计的，你满意吗？
满意。
哦，好的，好的，谢谢。OK，现在呢，现在我们会教你如何使用这个 Facebook 来宣传你的和销售你的食物和饮料。OK，首先你看到那个箭头指的地方嘛，你就按进去，然后你就会来到这里了，然后你就在那个选择照片那边选择你要放的照片，然后选了过后呢，你就在这个打字的地方这里。打你要写的东西，好像你的食物是什么，好像客户如何 order 这样子，有兴趣的话可以联络可以通过那个 WhatsApp number 这样子 comment 这样子或者什么 comment 这样子，过后写好了你就可以按下面那个 post 那个 button 了，然后 post 好过后过后客户就可以看在你的 FB 看到了那个 posting 了。然后comment 的话就是看那个，在那个 posting 下面那个 comment 那个格子那边看呐，那个 comment 那个 button comment 这个地方看客户 comment 的东西，你就可以看到客户 order 了什么食物，然后他们会order 的他们要的什么样的食物是什么，他们的地址，他们要的数量是什么样子。OK，到现在为止，安迪，你明白怎样用了吗？
可以了，可以了。
所以我们希望我们这个 Facebook 可以帮助到你，可以增加到你的收入啦。